Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at Long MacArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for cool custom builds like nobody else does here with our Long MacArthur Performance Department and team. And we have another one that's fun and special that we haven't done in a while. Well, we haven't done an Explorer at all, but we've been doing some stuff to the Explorers, but it's been a while since we've done any kind of an upgrade. And so I'm really pleased to bring you this video and go over what's included in our Alpha package for our 2026 Ford Explorer ST right behind me. So let's go through that. Like videos like that, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's get into this. So first, let's talk about how this comes from the factory before we added our package onto this. Now this in here was ordered, of course, as an ST, all-wheel drive on this. So the ST is going to come with a 3.0 liter V6 EcoBoost engine with, of course, a 10-speed automatic transmission. So it has the best performance available, and you can only get the 3.0 on an Explorer in a couple configurations, including a Tremor Ultimate and this ST. Of course, they did bring it back for the Platinum this year, but there you go. That's a big part of this. Of course, with that, you get the Sport Tune suspension on the vehicle. Having the all-wheel drive, you get the performance brakes as well, so you can see it through those wheels that we'll talk about in just a little bit as part of this package. Of course, just a great look, and it does get the quad tip dual exhaust on the back as well. And all the ST badging, Explorer on the hood like we did see a little bit ago. Now inside, of course, it does bring the theme through as well inside with the Ford Performance. Door sill plates, all the red stitching all over, across the dash, steering wheel with the dedicated ST badge on the steering wheel with the flat bottom steering wheel, all across the dash over there, as you can see. On the seats, console, everything with these nice kind of leather trimmed with the suede, with the ST right there as well, and it just looks sharp inside as well on this. So it does have all that. So that's kind of what we were looking at from the factory on this. We did also order this with the sun and sound package. So it does have the moon roof here, or I should say the glass roof with the power shade. We have that shade on it right now. So that's going to come with that, as well as the B&O sound system with 14 speakers. And it gets the multi-contour seats as part of that package. So pretty cool little package that we ordered on this particular vehicle here. What did we do to it? So first thing that we did, as you probably noticed, is the wrap. So that's part of our Alpha package, is that we put a full wrap on this. So we're talking the hood, the fenders, the bumpers, right? Even this lower skid plate down here is wrapped. The doors are wrapped. The roof is wrapped as well. All of it's wrapped. The pillars are wrapped as well down there. The rear bumper back here. The only thing that's not wrapped on the exterior of the vehicle is anything that would be already that molded in look. So anything that is that Agate black look is getting wrapped. But the molded in black is not. So just so you're aware of that, because it's not going to really adhere to that. So a lot of that stuff is all wrapped. Even here, see, these pillars and even these sections here are wrapped too, which is really nice. So not only does it have this, now this isn't just a regular wrap, this is a PPF film wrap on this. And the reason we do that is because it's a lot easier to keep clean and everything. Now that is going to get, it is part of their stealth package on that. So it is going to get a 10-year impact protection on that. So it's self-healing and getting that 10-year warranty on that. On top of that, for taking a little bit step further, we do the XPEL, and by the way, that is by XPEL. And XPEL also does have a ceramic coating. We do a ceramic coating on this wrap as well. So that helps as well. That gets a 5-year warranty on the coating, and that really does a good job on the outside of this to protect this, so you can take it through car washes and you're not going to worry about, you know, not being able to drive it. We want you to drive it, have fun with it and everything. Also go along with that as part of the protection package. That's the Fusion Plus is what they call that, or Fusion Pro ceramic coating or protecting on it. On the inside, it also gets the interior protection package too. So we're gonna cover the carpet sealant on that, also the seats as well, and protect any vinyl and everything else, like across the dash has a protected on it, and that's be covered under a 5-year as well. So then on that, every 2 years you can come in and get a redetail and get it reapplied if we need to on any of that as well. So it does have an Eibach lowering kit. So not really a lowering kit, but an I-box suspension on this. And that's going to kind of give it a lower center of gravity here and just give it a great smooth ride and handling and everything. And it's really fun to drive from what I understand. I haven't driven it myself, but I understand it's really fun to drive. You're going to see that as well. So you'll notice that look there on the side. Also, you're going to notice the wheel and tire package we put on this. It's a 22-inch Santi black label wheel right here. You're getting also with the Michelin Pilot Sports all-season tire. It is a 275 R40 ZR22, as you can see. So by factory, it was a 21-inch wheel, and we went ahead and upgraded to 22-inch wheel on that as well. And then lastly, because you are looking really cool, lowering suspension and lowering kind of lower center of gravity with that suspension that was put on this, we're also, as part of it, adding the tune. Is a Whipple Pro Tune on this, and that is going to get it increase your horsepower by 60 horsepower at the rear wheel and 80 pound-feet of torque as well on this on the rear wheel. So that's pretty impressive right there, and that is going to really help out. Of course, you know, it does require the 91 octane, so it just has a great smooth shifting points and response, throttle response, and everything else with that tune in there. So there you go. And of course, you've already talked about all the different warranties. You got a 10-year warranty on the wrap, 5-year warranty on the outside protection of that, and of course, you're going to have a warranty on the tune, and everything else is going to be covered under 3-year 36, like the wheels and tires and all that. So you're covered and protected on this. Now, at the time of recording this video, this vehicle is for sale and is available. Check it out on our website at longmacarthur.com, and we'll add a page to this as well, because this is something we want to be able to provide for people. So if that one is sold, reach out to us. We can get another one, and you don't have to do black. If you'd rather have a different color of this, we can order it in a different color and put this package on it as well. So reach out to us if you're interested in that, 785-823-2237. But that's what we have for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our videos. Till the next one, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.